This is how we made The Sound of Violet opening weekend. The Sound of Violet was set to open at movie theaters in over 15 cities across the U.S. I would travel to 4 of them in 4 days on opening weekend to promote the film. First stop, Seattle. I love being reunited with our cast and crew and seeing so many people who helped create our movie.
Welcome to the world premiere of The Sound of Violet! Stand up if you gave resources, time, or talent to this film. Is that amazing?
Next stop, my hometown of Los Angeles. I took my mom and my wife to the LA premiere, and I loved having them be part of the evening.